Hi, I'm Tupperware, and I've had some questions about the Tupperware baking sheet, and I'd just like to do a quick demo for you guys. This baking sheet rolls up for easy storage. It has a rim around the edge to prevent overflow. It's perfect for all your baking needs, since you can use it in the microwave, the fridge, the freezer, and the conventional oven. Something else fantastic about this baking dish is that it has markings on it, so that you can create the perfect sized macaroons or biscuits. These are 3 centimeter diameter circles marked throughout. Also, there are every 1 centimeter all over here, hopefully you can see, little dots so that you can mark out exactly where you want to roll your perfectly square or geometric sized pastry. You can use with a rolling pin. Because it's silicone, you don't need to worry about the rim getting in the way. So tell me in the comments below, what are you going to use your silicone baking mat for?